What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be reacting to People versus Nature. Extreme weather destroyed them. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you do, please hit that like button. And if you really enjoyed the video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Let's get it. This is from AFB, by the way. Damn, she died. Oh, that's the worst. No! Oh, no, not the house. Like, bro, what were you gonna do? Were you trying to catch the tree falling? The 500-pound tree falling?
Oh!
Oh, let me hit one of these real quick. I want to make this a little bigger. Make that a little bigger right there, like that. That way you can see it a little better. Okay, there we go. Okay, we good with it. We good with it.
I don't know, it's just moving. Oh my gosh, their trampoline just flew!
Oh! That looked like that hurt. Oh, that definitely hurt.
This is what it looks like in Stockton, California at this very moment. You'll hear a thunderstorm.
That's nothing,
in
bro.
just a second. It's been thundering all morning.
Oh. I want to do that to somebody so bad. Oh, that's the worst. No, not the car.
Look at the rain.
Wow, it's so
Why is that? Wow.
I can never get lightning when I try to video it.
About to get it right now. Oh.
I got it on video.
Storms have never been captured on live.
Oh my. Oh my God. Like, yeah, let's just leave that there. We go inside real quick. Why you outside in weather blowing the ground? Pause. Bro, the umbrella. Nah, forget the kids, bro. Forget the kids. Why you leaving kids, bro? Like, nope, never mind. I'm good. I'm good. I feel like it's a sign. I feel like that's a sign. Like, you're going outside and like, let me go outside in this bad weather. And the lightning hits, like, nope, you shouldn't be outside. Okay. That's a sign from nature. That's a sign from the heavens, from God. Go back inside. Bro's like, bro. He's like, come on now. Now he trying to be like, you know, like nonchalant, be like, maybe baby girls give me that number, you know what I'm saying? I already know where they live. Bro, he said, fuck that. He jumped in through the window. Oh. The dog, bro. The dog, like, why you holding me? I gotta see that dog one more time. I got He's like, oh, nope. He's like, oh my God, bro. Like, did you really have to put the plant out there? Why don't you put your thing down? Like, I don't understand why it's open.
Who else agrees? But swimming in the rain is 100 times more fun than swimming on a sunny day.
Oh my God. That lightning said, nope, not today. This a mudslide? This is a mudslide. No.
Wow!
Damn.
Wow!
Wow. No, that's terrible.
I just filled her up with gas, too.
I just filled her up with gas too. I already talked about your car extended warranty.
Throwing ice.
That bag right there. There's phones in there. Is it getting wet? Oh my God. In a second.
I keep playing. Watch. No,
I
keep.
just take it.
She about to fly away. Yep. Close the sunroof, maybe.
So this could be how they get the AFV stuff. Whoa!
Man, look at the size of that sucker.
Damn. Why you say look at the size of that sucker and pan over to dude?
This wasn't in the brochure.
Oh, I would have just sat there for a little bit. Oh, he almost hit his back on the corner. Oh. Ooh. Oh, that's phone. Oh. Yeah, sometimes you just need to just lay there and just assess the situation. Oh. Oh, twice. He's like, nope, I'm good.
Hi, baby.
Let me guess, he gonna fall too now? Yes, sir. Oh! It bopped him in the head. I think that's a sign. Just go back inside. He did that on. Am I mistaken? Or did he do that on? He fall on purpose, intentionally. Ooh. Oh. Why do shoes always fly off? Not the pizza. I think he saved the pizza. Whee! That looks like fun. Hey, he saved it though. He saved it. Oh, no, wait. Okay, he saved it. Oh, she hit her face. Oh, she did. Did she knock herself out? Oh yeah, you broke your ankle. Yeah, go back inside, man.
I just fell down.
Ooh. Oh no, he broke the pot. He said, ow, ow. How'd that even happen? Lucky that wasn't a solid piece of ice. So that wouldn't have ended well. Why is this man dressed like from Jujutsu Kaisen? What's his name? Itadori? Yuji Itadori? Damn, bro. He's like, I spent all day just like raking this up to the side, and the wind said nope. Oh, always gotta check your surroundings, bro. Damn. RIP that extension cable. Yeah, there ain't nothing you can do about that, bro. There's nothing you can do about that. What are you, bro? Were you trying to chase after the trampoline?
You were so lucky. Nothing like mangoes and rain.
It's Fox 5, and I'd like to report a light, sunny day today with light showers, maybe.
Yeah, they're oh, that's just. Oh my god. Man, calm down, Bertha. You're gonna squish little Timmy there.
Whoa.
I hear a tree. Oh!
I knew that was gonna happen.
I knew that was gonna happen and stayed
That
here.
is so crazy.
It's so crazy.
It.
How's the wind? Like you have walls all around. How's the wind pushing that? I don't understand that. I mean, I don't know, physics is physics. You know what I'm saying?
goodness, she's in the sopping rain.
The sopping rain? That's crazy.
More back muscle in that. Oh.
It's gonna break. It's about to break. Yep. There it goes. Yep, it broken. Yep, it broke. Yep.
She broke it. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, she broke it.
Oh my God. Like, did you have to do that?
Is leaning.
Maybe get like a cup and just,
Oh my goodness.
now you done broke your thing because why? Because you had to go out. Yeah, they drunk.
Really windy. Really rainy. Ah, it's so windy, my umbrella.
Well, that happened to me one time. I was gonna pay for parking, had my umbrella, and it just like completely just whoosh. I'm like, I went back to the car and sat there for a little bit.
I think it broke.
Is that hell? Oh!
Oh!
I don't understand why you playing this dirty ass water. Oh!
Okay, we done with shovel.
He said, ouch! He just straight died. That hurt. Yeah, that happened to me before. That hurt, yeah. It don't hurt that bad, but it's, you know, it's just the sudden shock of the... Yeah. Unless it hits you right smack on your nose, then that hurts. Everybody dying. Everybody, yep. There go grandma, there go uncle, and there go grandpa, yep. Everybody dead, bro. Did y'all have to hold on to each other, though? I would need a really big kite to do that for myself.
A lot of good this umbrella is.
I mean, you face it in the direction it's raining, you know.
Oh, you crap. I think it's broken.
Oh, they had IKEA?
Broken to the window.
They had IKEA? I want to go to IKEA. I've never been to IKEA. Yeah, bro, it's done for, bro. It's done for. There ain't nothing you can do. It's done. It's done. Yeah, there ain't nothing you can do, bro. Just let nature take its course. It's the airbender. Oh, he's having fun. That looks like fun. That's a lot of snow. Oh, he broke his leg. It's a lot of snow.
I'm snowy.
I'm snowy. This man just having a bad day. No, I would be like, you know what, bro? Do what you gotta do. You done knocked down my pillar. Are those tables? Those are them plastic tables. Wait, what? I didn't see what happened. Oh, the wind took it and opened the thing. That's cool. Right in the booty. Oh, right in the back. Cause you know what, it's a perfect day to get in the hot tub, right? In 100-mile-an-hour wind. You know what, hot tub. That's what I should do. Bro, didn't even make it out, bro. Didn't even make it from underneath, from underneath the thing, bro. Okay, fuck you, bro. You're an asshole. You're a dick for that, bro. You a dick for that. You could have slowed down when you got to my driveway and then sped up after. You a dick for that. Hey, honestly, it's nice and cozy under there, you know what I'm saying? Nice and cozy. Oh, damn, RP Grandma. Oh, Grandpa. Oh, damn. Grandpa got stabbed in the back. Grandma and Grandpa. 1742 to 2026. Don't burn our table. That was cool. This AI, this ain't real. Like, bro, come on, bro. Hey, at least she didn't take off running. I mean, this man thought he got shot, bro. He said,
Y'all think I'm lying? Y'all see my neighbor's boat over there?
oh. Is that Satan? Look at the fan in the back flipping out over there. That's some Santa from the other video. They took the whole door. See, I don't know if I'm not gonna make fun of anything. That sucks. I hope you got good insurance. That looks like fun. But okay, good. It's tied down. I'm about to say, you know, your little flamingo done flew away, but it's tied down though, so it's good. That looks like fun.
Elbows in the front.
Elbows in the front.
This man can't hear a word you're saying, bro. This man can't hear a word you're saying. Saying elbows to the front. This man hearing Elmo was the front, bro. He don't know what you're saying. It looks like fun though. It looked like fun. It's fun until it flings you off, and you smack that water and it feels like concrete. Yeah, you can see. See what I'm saying? And he broke his leg. Hold on, he broke his leg. She about to die. Yep. Oh. You heard that hit. That was a thud. There ain't nothing up there anyway. This looks like fun too, but I would need a really big kite in order to do this. I would need a parachute to pull me up, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that is a little ass stick, bro. Ain't no candy fall out of there. I don't want it. Nah, bro, y'all do this in the rain and then be surprised when it thunders, when lightning strikes.
Watch.
He's about to rip the.
Get the trajectory just right.
He's about to rip the whole bag.
Up and over, it's behind him.
Tie the handles.
He about to rip the whole thing. Oh, you gotta get the momentum going, bro.
It's gonna go completely over it this time.
You gotta get the momentum.
Okay. It's not the over.
Get the momentum.
There he goes. That's the right trajectory.
Tie the handle.
There we go. Oh!
If you would have tied the handle like that, I was saying that nothing would have happened. I ain't saying nothing. That looked like fun. Yep. Oh, she broke her hand. Like, you know what? You know what I think we should do? It's storming right now. It's a Category 7 hurricane. Let's go play some golf. It's understandable. But, oh no, it's funny. I don't know why that scared me. But that's a sign, though. That is a sign. That's a sign. Even the Lord don't want you to get married.
I don't care.
Oh, that was a funny video. That was you know, a different video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, give it a thumbs up. If you really enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.